The well-marked low-pressure area in the Bay of Bengal has turned into a depression, the India Meteorological Department Sunday said. As per an IMD bulletin, the depression was located at a distance of about 310 km east of Kalingapatnam, 260 km east-southeast of Gopalpur, 290 km south-southeast of Paradeep, and 410 km south of Digha. The weather system is expected to move towards North Odisha, West Bengal coasts and intensify into a deep depression during the next 24 hours, it said. Thereafter, it is very likely to move across North Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand and adjoining North Chhattisgarh during the subsequent 2 days, it said. The Weather Office issued an orange warning for heavy to very heavy rainfall at one or two places over Ganjam, Gajapati, Raigada, Malkangiri and Koraput districts of Odisha for Sunday. A yellow warning for heavy rain has also been issued for one or two places of Kendrapada, Khordha, Puri, Jagatsinghpur, Cuttack, Nayagarh, Kandhamal, Kalahandi and Nabarangpur districts for Sunday. The IMD also forecast rain in most parts of the state for Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. It said that under the influence of the possible depression, squally weather with strong surface wind speeds reaching 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour, is very likely to prevail over Northwest Bay of Bengal, adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal, along and off Odisha coast during September 8 to 11. Fishermen have been advised not to venture into the sea along and off the Odisha coast, Northwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal during the period. Stay tuned to Odisha Post Live for more such updates.